Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have admin rights and a quick backup, because changing system configuration can block startup. Open the Start menu, type msconfig, and press Enter to launch system configuration. Once it appears, glance at the Boot and Services tabs to record settings. This gives you a rollback reference. Make sure to uncheck non-Microsoft services first to isolate problems, because disabling third-party services often reveals whether the config issue is caused by added software. Once done hiding Microsoft services, systematically uncheck suspect third-party services so you can test stability without essential OS components affected. Apply the change and reboot. This step-by-step disable and reboot cycle narrows the culprit. Next, open Task Manager's Startup tab to disable high-impact programs at boot. This prevents them from reintroducing the error. If the system boots cleanly after a change, re-enable items one at a time to identify the exact trigger and document the failing entry for removal or update. You should run sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files and chkdsk/f to fix disk errors. Do both from an elevated command prompt because they target core causes. Once the system is stable, return to msconfig and select Normal Startup, Apply, and Reboot to restore regular operation. If problems persist, boot from Windows 7, install Media, and run Startup Repair to rebuild boot files. If that fails, a common troubleshooting tip is to note recent drivers or updates and uninstall them in safe mode before retrying repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.